Good morning people, welcome back to my channel Technical Videos. Hope everyone is doing good. So today's video is all about the complete review of this URBN 10,000 mAh power bank. So let's start. Okay guys, let's start with the pros first. So the first thing I would like to talk about this power bank is its size. See, look at the size guys. It's so compact in size, you can carry it anywhere you want. Okay, the second thing I would like to talk about this power bank is its features, that is type C input and output. You can see there is a type C port here, so it supports both input and output charge, which means you can charge your power bank using fast charger, and this power bank is used to charge your devices using fast charge technology, and it has two-way fast charge. See, I generally charge this power bank using this Apple's 12 watt power adapter, so it will take around 3 to 3.5 hours to charge this power bank fully. So once this power bank is fully charged, you can see all these four LED indicators will start glowing. So if you want to see the battery percentage of this URBN 10,000 mAh power bank, you just have to click on this green button over here. If you can see one LED blinking right now, which means it has around 0 to 25% of battery here. If you can see there are two LEDs glowing, then it says it has 25 to 50% of the battery. If three are glowing, it has 50 to 75% of the battery. If all four are blinking, it has full charge. It is fully charged. It has 100% of the charge. Okay, see guys, just for reference, I have connected this power bank to Realme C2. So see the graph, power is so consistent. So you can see the power max power it had reached is 959 mAh. So these are all the pros I have identified in this power bank. So let's talk about cons now. Okay, there are no big cons as such. The only con I have identified is the cable is very short. They would have given some long cable. Except that everything is fine with this power bank. I really like this power bank. So that's my small and short review of this power bank, guys. So that's the end of the video, guys. I hope you like the video. If you do like the video, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you, guys.